A toilet leaking at the base is usually a sign that the seal between the toilet and the drain has failed or the mounting is compromised. Most base leaks stem from a failed seal at the flange, so start by removing the toilet and inspecting the flange height and condition. If the flange sits below the finished floor by more than about 1/4 inch, it will not compress a wax or foam gasket properly, so raise it with a flange extender or replace it with a taller flange to get a solid bearing surface. Use a new wax ring or a modern wax-free foam gasket sized for your toilet outlet and press the bowl straight down with even pressure. Avoid using silicone to seal the base because it hides leaks and prevents proper movement detection. Check the closet bolts and washers and tighten them alternately and incrementally until the bowl no longer wobbles, but do not over-tighten because cracked porcelain is a common outcome of uneven force. If there is soft or rotten subfloor under the flange, cut out the damaged area, install a plywood or exterior grade repair patch, and reinstall the flange onto sound material so the flange has structural support. Finally, after reinstalling, run water and observe for a full flush cycle and check for any dampness over several hours since small weeps can be slow to show. Common mistakes start with relying on silicone to stop a leaking base, which only masks the problem and allows hidden water damage to continue. Instead, remove the bowl and replace the seal and repair the subfloor if needed. A second frequent issue is using the wrong gasket type or size, so confirm whether a one-piece toilet requires a thicker ring or a beveled foam gasket and replace accordingly. Over-tightening the mounting bolts is a third major mistake because it can crack the ceramic. Tighten bolts evenly, use new washers and bolts, and stop when the bowl is stable and does not rock. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information relevant to diagnosing and fixing toilet base leaks. We maintain a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, ask questions, and post recommendations to help homeowners and contractors find work and solve problems.